Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Aika, if you're new here, welcome. Today I have to share with you my very recent purchase from DIOR. It's a new handbag that I still cannot believe I managed to score. It was so difficult to find this bag because in Switzerland each store gets only 2 of this and there are so many women interested in this style. First time I tried a similar bag in store, it was about 4 months ago. I was ready to buy it and then my SA told me it was reserved and the lady put the deposit for it, so there was no way I could get it. I tried ordering it, it was impossible because, as I said, each store had only 2 and so many women wanted this bag. So when the new collection was just released, I believe it was the first day they started to receive new pieces from the Cruise 21 collection, I went in there by accident. My friend invited me to go to LV with her. She was choosing her next bag and then we decided to go to DIOR because we just love going there together, seeing the new collection. And then my SA brought this bag and my jaw dropped because it was so beautiful, even better than the first one. So yeah, this time I was the first one, the lucky one. So I got it. Let's finally unbox it together. I haven't opened it yet, but I was so tempted to, but I really wanted this to be like a true unboxing video, so I waited. But before I get into the unboxing, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like similar content to this one. I film a lot of shopping vlogs, a lot of unboxings, reviews. Also, follow me on Instagram because I post there quite a lot as well, and I post there even more than here on YouTube, I would say. And also, you'll be able to see what I am doing or buying sooner again than here on YouTube. So make sure to follow me there as well. So let's finally unbox this beauty. I'm super excited. Fun fact, my mom got the same handbag, same color, same size, same day. If you watched my previous shopping vlog, it was the DIOR shopping vlog, I mentioned that I'm now self-isolating at home. My husband is the lucky one. His self-isolation period is over. He's out in town right now. I mean, everything is closed. We're on lockdown 2.0 right now. So he's just doing random things like getting groceries and stuff like that, but I'm still stuck at home and I've been stuck at home for, I think it's my 5th day at home. Yeah, that's right. I reserved this bag. I didn't buy it last week when I saw it, but luckily my friend could go there before our lockdown. She got it for me on Monday. Thank you very much for doing me such huge favor. I'm so excited. That's why I haven't seen the bag since I last tried it on, since I first tried it on in store, and I don't know, I'm very excited. I am a little bit nervous, but let's just do it. They wrapped it really beautifully. My SA wasn't there the day my friend went to DIOR, so it was someone else packaging it. Oh my god, it's so pretty! It is so beautiful! Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. The bag that I bought is this beautiful DIOR Bobby in size large. So here's the dust bag. It's got this cute little pillow. And here's my new bag. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love this color so much. Right now I'm looking at it and I have so many lights around me and it even looks a little bit greenish to me. I don't know, maybe it's just the light that makes it look this way, but in fact it's this beautiful beige color. I don't even know how to explain this color. To me, it honestly looks like coffee with milk. Some people say it doesn't, so I really don't know. At the back there is a humongous pocket that says 30 Montaigne, just like on my 30 Montaigne bag and on the small Bobby in white. This was actually the bag I've decided to go for when I couldn't get this one. My original plan was to get Bobby in large but in white color, and it was already reserved, so I decided to go for Bobby in size small. And then I saw this one last week and I just couldn't. I couldn't, my jaw dropped. I knew I needed this bag, and on the inside it has a strap. And what's cool about this strap, I mentioned it on my video, is that it's an adjustable strap right now. So you can adjust the length of it, you can make it shorter, you can make it longer, and I think it's such a game changer. So let's go back in time a little bit. About 3 weeks ago, I purchased a DIOR strap, the classic one in blue color to wear with my saddlebag, and also the small bobby bag in white. I purchased it, I was pretty happy with it, but it's not adjustable and it was pretty short. And I didn't film the unboxing. I was waiting and not using it, so it was just sitting there in my bag. And then about 10 days ago, last week, we went to DIOR, and it was the first time I wore my DIOR strap with a saddlebag, and it looked beautiful. But I had this huge jacket on me and I couldn't crossbody the strap because it was too short. And I was so intimidated by it. I was like, oh my god, did I make the right decision? It was so expensive and I can't even wear it crossbody, like it's not that convenient. And then my essay brought me this, and I saw the new shoulder strap, and I saw that it's adjustable and it can be longer to wear crossbody with chunky knitwear, with chunky jackets, whatever. And I just got super excited. I asked her if I could still exchange my strap, the one I bought before, to the bag, well, and of course pay the rest. I told her it was literally the first time wearing this strap, so it's like new, and she looked at it, she's like, yeah, I know the condition is new, like I trust you, you're not gonna lie to me, so I'm gonna talk to my manager. She said it's fine, and I was able to exchange it to the bag, and I'm just beyond happy because the other strap was also in blue and this one is in blue as well, but I think it's a lot more beautiful than the other one. It has all this DIOR monogram on it. It's just so fabulous. Let's attach it to the bag and see how it's gonna look, but I'm pretty sure it's stunning. And I tried it on in my vlog as well, so if you haven't watched that vlog, I actually showed a lot of the new collection, so make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link up here and also in the description box. I think it was a good one. So okay, there you go. It looks so cute. I'm gonna do some mod shots as well, so you'll be able to see how it sits on me. I will also put the jacket on and try it on with the jacket, so you can see what I'm talking about when I say that this strap is a game changer. But this bag is beautiful, the color is so lovely, and it also goes perfectly with my new DIOR boots that I bought back in August, I believe. I wear those boots every single day. I love them, they're the best. And now I have the perfect bag to go with them because it's the perfect color. And on the inside, so it has the magnetic clasp. On the inside it's quite spacious, a lot bigger than my small DIOR bobby bag. By the way, do you want to see a comparison video between the two, the pros and cons and everything? If you do, please leave a comment down below, and I would love to film that video because I love these two handbags and I'll be super excited to film both of them side by side. So here I've got the authenticity card, and this is what the bag looks like on the inside. Whoops. So it's quite spacious, it has a lot of room inside. It's all in this sweat leather. It's very beautiful, very soft. I love it. It has one pocket in here. It's a flat pocket. You won't be able to put a lot of things inside, but you can keep like a card holder or something. I, for example, can put the authenticity card right in here so I don't lose it, and it will just stay in there. And yeah, that's the whole handbag. It's very simple. There is nothing extra wow on the inside. There are no extra zip pockets or anything. There are no zippers, no nothing. I love the back pocket as well. It's very spacious. Even on the small one, it's really good because I can fit my iPhone Pro Max, which is huge. I can still fit it at the back of that handbag, and in this one I think it's gonna be even better because it's even larger. And right now I feel like DIOR Bobby is my favorite bag from DIOR right now. I think it's so beautiful and it suits my style so well. You know, my style is very weird. I'm like all over the place. I love classic stuff, but at the same time I love sporty outfits, and I'm like somewhere in the middle. I don't even know how to explain my style, if I even have one at the moment. I'm still figuring it out, and this handbag is right in the middle as well. I don't know how to categorize it. It's like a very casual bag, but at the same time it has its charm and it looks sort of classy. I love the rounded bottom part, the rounded corners of the bag. They make it look very soft, very cute. I just love this bag, and this color especially. I always wanted a handbag in this color, and I always wanted to get a Sunrev bag in color sand, but I wasn't sure how I felt about the color because I haven't really seen it in person. And when I saw the DIOR bag in a very similar color that I always wanted, in a bag that I was looking for, that I really wanted to purchase, I was sold. I had to get it. The price of the bag was 3,500 Swiss francs. I'm not sure how much it is in euros nor in US dollars. I believe US dollars it's around 3,800, 3,900, and in euros that's around 3,300, something like that. I am so excited to be adding this bag to my collection. It's so gorgeous. It's everything I wanted, and I'm beyond happy. And I also get to have this beautiful strap to wear with my other bobby bag, with the small bobby bag, with my saddle bag. I'm just super excited. And now let me finally show you how it looks on me. I think this was one of the best purchases this year. This bag is not everyone's cup of tea, but it certainly is mine, and I love everything about the style. Bobby bag just stole my heart the moment I saw it, and I always wanted it in a large size as well. I'm pretty happy that I have two sizes right now, the small and the large, and this color I think is so beautiful. It's something so new to my collection. I've never had anything in this color before, so I'm very excited to see how I'll be able to style it and enjoy it and wear it. I'm also very excited about the new and improved strap. It has everything I wanted in a DIOR strap. I love the fact that it is now adjustable and I can wear it crossbody with my puffy jackets, with my Max Mara teddy coat, and I love the idea that I can wear this strap with multiple different bags and they will all look beautiful. I'm just beyond happy about this purchase. I think I was so lucky to have found it. Right now I'm glad that I didn't get the white one back then 3-4 months ago. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below. Is it a love or a hate for you? I would love to know that. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!